East Up, it's Airplane James from the east side of South Central, and I'm on Live and Unplugged.
The motherfucking DJ, and this is Live and Unplugged, presented by Breakin and Dirty Laundry. Also powered by our homies over at Homegrown Radio and Creative Productions. Now look, I got the Bandemics with me. I told y'all about them before. They tight as fuck, and we got a very, very special show for y'all. Matter of fact, we got an East Side special show for y'all. Okay, so whether you at home, at work, at school, whatever the fuck this pandemic got y'all doing, I want y'all to give a warm welcome to my homeboy, Airplane motherfucking J.
But you showing your age. I'm at the crib with Marley's mom, just lighting some sage. It's either that or get a gun and keep niggas away. Niggas say they running shit when they running in place. It's like a Southwest commercial, you wanna get away. Polo Lounge brunch business I'm having with boss. 30K on the table, can't answer your calls. You niggas wanna be involved till you really involved. And I can speak on that though, cause I've totally evolved. 2021, my nigga, get right with your dogs. On the phone with TC, discussing it all. Bird and Weed's my only role model. Niggas falling victim to the old model. And don't you niggas know gangsters getting money? Gangsters taking care who love me. I can tell who for me and I can tell who funny. Say it all. It's all my fault, I don't call. You send me pictures of me on the gram. You think I got it cause it's in my hand. Damn.
Shit. Come on, play. Talk to him one time.
Look, it's from Marley, Omari, and Kennedy. Couldn't find the words to say what you mean to me. But shit, I'ma try. Deja Michelle, why do you always try it? I'll stop asking why and shit accepted it. Question the cards I hold, but you dealt the shit. And I show my hand, you bite it. All the energy's invited, I thrive in the clutch. See me out where you do, I'm giving it up. East side, nigga, it take time, nigga. So they say, watching my peers progress and fade away. I gotta say, I apply pressure, make sure niggas know. I'm hard on ones I love, make sure niggas grow. I never said sorry for a shit, so here you go. 26 and I ain't dead shit, should we toast? How I make it when I did the most. Forgive me, granny, knew I ran you crazy. But I love you, lady. Yeah, I love you, lady. Yeah, I love you, lady. And that was a record off my debut album called Fearz. Airplane James. That was a joint off my debut album called Fearz. The next joint we finna get into, it's called Ardmore. It's off my debut album On Everything I Love. Yeah, let's get into it.
I'm Dirty Dale. I'm from Long Beach, California, and this is Getting Dirty with Dirty Laundry. That's a lot of fucking dirties.
We about to do one of my favorite records off my album. And I know if you've been through this type of shit, you're gonna feel me. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Hey, you keep asking for your space like we ain't safe. Where your faith? You direct all of your energy to IG. Block me, then refollow. You keep doing things to try me. My niggas say I allow it, cause I'm a coward and I don't think I could be lonely. Shit, he the homie, shit, he know me. Truth be told, on my soul, I can't get no money back off this motherfucking loan. And you know I gave you my heart on good faith. Return my shit on the plate. And got the nerve to ask a nigga, have I fucking aged? Wait. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Look, how you do you so easily? I thought that you really believed in me. How you do you so easily? I thought that you really believed. Say what's up with you tonight, I got my rent paid up. Said you over me, but if you was, you wouldn't stayed up. Can I take that as a sign? She tell me don't press my luck. But I gotta know, girl, is it love? Is it just me that keeps scrolling your Instagram page? Is it just me that wanna know what's this just a phase? Is it just me that say I'm Gucci to save face? Is it just me that's low-key hurt? How you do you so easily? I thought that you really believed in me. How you do you so easily? I thought that you really believed in me. Hold on. I think it's time for y'all to go crazy in this motherfucker. This next joint is Fastlane Interlude. And we about to kill this shit with the Bandemics. Let's get it. Hey. Look, looking at spots in NoHo. Settle down right now, that's a no-go. My career going up, that's a pogo. Need the Ferrari outside, that's a polo. Keep your whack-ass feature, this a solo. Niggas hating on the low, but that I know though. I'd rather kick it with my daughter than be out clubbing. Let you niggas tell it all, you niggas is thugging. Wait, how many niggas you killed that ain't dead yet? How many niggas you put on that ain't fed yet? Guess we'll never know. But look, I'll let you sell it though. I can't thank Weezenberg enough for the chance. But God first though, cause you know he the man. Steer clear of the devil or be shaking his hand. Or be on the dance floor, yeah, ask for a dance, you know? give it up for the Bandemics, man. They going crazy in this motherfucker all night. Crystal the DJ. You feel me? I'ma continue to talk my shit for the rest of the night, but try not to fall off the stool because I'm faded.
You dropped this song at the beginning of the pandemic.
Panoramic.
Not even the panoramic, the panic, goddamn. He didn't even know where this song was gonna go, and this shit fucking took off, y'all. Matter of fact, can you like run that shit for us one time?
We're gonna do Impress Me with the Bandemic. You feel me?
With the Bandemics?
This is my first time ever doing it with a band, so let's get it. Anything you do, impress me. Bring it to the room, sex me. Hey, bring a friend too, she lets me. Look, I'ma fuck too if you let me. Hey, girl, you sexy. I like how you put on for your section. Big Breakin bag for my weapon. Oh yeah. Look, I got nothing to lose. I know everything you heard and saw out here is not new. I'm top 2 out here and I'm not 2. Out in Huntington Beach looking at drop coops. Oh, down a whole bottle with a Chardonnay. Bust down on my wrist Cartier. Hey, I said, whoa. You ride me like boom, boom. Ever got issues? Bring the street sweeper out. Bow and O with that, I got the room. Anything you do, impress me. Bring it to the room, sex me. Hey, bring a friend too, she lets be. I'ma fuck too if you let me. Girl, you sexy. Like how you put on for your section. Big Breakin bag for my weapon. Oh yeah. You ever had sex in a G-Wag? Come and make it my first time. Said she gon' leave if I do it wrong, but I done had worse times. That ain't no threat to me. I fear being broke more, and that be the death for me. Broke niggas keep score. I wanna run it up with my babe. I put on it all on her face. I hope my nigga can beat his case. And I wanna fuck if that's okay. Anything you do, impress me. Bring it to the room, sex me. Bring a friend too, she lets be. I'ma fuck too if you let me. Girl, you sexy. Like how you put on for your section. Big Breakin bag for my weapon. Oh yeah. Hey, that's all my time. Shout out Dirty Laundry. Shout out Homegrown Radio. Shout out Breaking Ground TV for having me. It's been a pleasure. I'm faded, as you can tell.
So look, that's our time. We gotta go, but one time for the one time I gotta introduce y'all to everybody that's on the stage with us one time. You feel me? This motherfucking Tim on the drums. Hey, Tim, can you give us this one time? Hey, all right, so we got Irin on the motherfucking bass. Go. And we got Vernon on the motherfucking keys. Hey.
My nigga about to fuck it up with that one hand.
y'all for rocking with us.